Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? My name's Keith Webster. I lead the financial services and insurance business for J.D. Power. I want to welcome you to our 2026 Insurance Summit and what promises to be a great 2 days together. So this summit was designed with one goal in mind, which is to create a place where leaders across the insurance industry can come together, exchange ideas, look ahead, discuss how to drive better performance. Insurance is in a very dynamic place right now. We see that in the Gulf of Hormuz. We see it in the auto industry. It's everywhere. Most people don't realize how foundational the industry is and the repercussions as a result of its position. So customers are expecting more. Technology is moving faster. Competition is not going away. Claims costs continue to be elevated, driven by technology and supply chains. Distribution models are evolving, and trust with consumers and regulators is hard to earn and easy to lose, as we all know. At the same time, there are some enormous opportunities for all of us in this industry. It's an opportunity to rebuild and evolve, to take data and analytics and technology and apply them in unique ways to create value. So what we're doing really matters, and so we're really honored to host this forum. We've done this for probably about 20 years, maybe not continuously for 20, but it's about a 20-year journey, okay? Over the next two days, we're gonna explore the forces shaping the industry: customer experience, loyalty, digital engagement, underwriting, claims, distribution, and so on. But beyond the content, I want you to know we have a dedicated team of J.D. Power team members here in the room. If the J.D. Power team members could just stand up for a moment. Great. So this is your J.D. Power team, and we're here to make this a great experience for all of you. So you can approach any one of us and ask for anything you need, any questions, any help you need. We're happy to make this a great experience and to be of service. So please don't hesitate to reach out. At the same time, what a unique opportunity to meet new people, a unique opportunity to exchange ideas. So I would encourage all of us to seek out new folks and new ideas. And last night at the reception, I had some great conversations with some new friends. I learned some new things, and I'm going to do the same today and tomorrow. I'd like to now talk about auto claims for a moment. Claims sits at the intersection of customer emotion, trust, operational excellence, tech innovation, repair economics, fraud prevention, AI. It's a rich intersection, and it's very important to all of our businesses. It's one of the clearest examples where the industry is evolving and why partnerships and collaboration really matter. So this brings me to our keynote speakers today. We're fortunate to have the leaders from one of the most recognized names in claims technology and innovation, Mitchell International, with us. And their organization has helped shape the modern claims ecosystem through data, software, workflow, and industry expertise. They are a longstanding partner of ours in the industry. We value that partnership. And as claims continues to transform, they're at the center of the action. So please Join me in welcoming Debbie Day, Executive Vice President and General Manager of Mitchell International, and Mike Swinner, Senior Vice President of Product Innovation.
Thank you.